Okay, so we talked about doing a fire kit giveaway, and this is it. It took a little bit longer than expected. We did the final knife raffle about 2 weeks ago, and so we're here to do the drawing for the fire kit giveaway. So I wanted to put together some of the best components that I could, and I reached out to All Mountain Systems out of Pennsylvania. They make this product called Inferno Cord. I've tested this thoroughly, and it is absolutely amazing tinder. So that said, let me take this apart real quick. So you get a bunch of sticks of Inferno cord. Now what this is hemp rope with beeswax embedded in it, and it's absolutely amazing. I've actually torn it apart and lit it while it's sitting there floating on top of water, and it burns. So this is a great fire starter, and you can break this down into smaller pieces, smaller strands, whatever you need. It's just got a lot of fire starting capability, and that's from All Mountain Systems. The next piece is a bow drill bearing block from Condor Knife and Tool, designed by Matt Graham, with enough number 36 tar bank line to make your bow drill. And then I didn't include the hearth block or the spindle because people are going to have different wood. So depending on who wins and what state they're in, there's going to be different wood that they use. But you can do the fingernail test with it just to see if it's soft enough to know what you need to do. Out here, it's tulip poplar and red cedar is what I like to use. Wherever you're at, it may be something different. So I didn't include that part. But this is just basically for you to be able to do um, primitive fire, friction fire, and make your own bow drill. Now we're going to get into the tinder. All this is natural tinder that I've gathered myself. First off, you got some horsehoof fungus. This is an ember carrier or prolonger. You put your ember in here and it burns down and it just sits there and smolders and you can carry it from place to place. Next up, a bunch of fat wood that I split myself. It smells absolutely amazing. It's held together with some Gorilla Tape. Also some birch bark, and I was looking for just the right ferrule rod, and I feel like this is it. A lot of times you'll get them and they're too thin and they snap, or they're too thick and they're just bulky and cumbersome, or they're not long enough and you can't get a good stroke on it. So I feel like the Coughlin's is a really good one. And last but not least, if you're going to process this stuff down, you're going to need a knife. So I figured I'd throw this in. This is the Antonini Old Bear carbon steel knife. That's a nice little sriracha patina I put on there for whoever wins. And you can customize this thing, or you can just keep it as is, or you can even take the patina off with a little bit of Scotch Brite. And yeah, so this is going to go to the winner, and it's just a fully ready to use kit, ready to go. So I'm going to pack this all back in here, and we're going to draw the winner here shortly. Best of luck to you, and whoever gets it, I'm going to ship it right out to you. I'm going to contact you, and then you're going to get this fire kit in the mail. So good luck.